Tá muid Bhliain seo tróna ag Bronnadh Gradam Sheosaimh Uí Ógartaigh fiche seachtéag chun ceiliúrú a dhéanamh agus aitheanta sa chóit don obair go hanga go léir a tuairisciú le gnóthaí agus ag eagraíochtaí in Gaillimhe. Chathair go hangach na hÉireann agus príomhchathair chultúir na Eorpa fiche.
So tá táhacht ar lebaint leis an ihe seo Faiche Móire síl na gaige gahar na Gaillimhe. Léiríonn na Gradam seo an táhacht atá leis an teanga Seán Kyne gahar na Gaillimhe agus an sá Robert ar buna Gaillimhe gaige chun na sinna dhéanamh. Tín an Gaillimhe gaige annach chuid obair ó híomh an bhuaigh be fut sa fútas na Gnóthaí ar fud na carach ó híomh seirbhís chuir fáil go bhhéigeí agus muinte na Gaeltachta hagann seasta gahar freisin. So is anna hí seo mar tugann sé deiscin na cólachtí sin ahead is bhaint amach an obertar bunacha agus spreagann sé daoine eile beidir go mun oidhre amachchan seo.
Tá ordmhola ag dul as códing báilte agus atá sibh an Gaeilge úsáid mar gné úthal díleáin I bhfuair cuid gnólachtaí agus eagraíochtaí.
Mar sóidíobh go léir agus mar dúirt spríd ainmnithe an Gradam clúteach seo in onóir Sheosaimh Uí Ógartaigh. Balbunithe agus runnig chuideachta Gaillimhe le Gaeilge agus chum Faiche Móire a rís raibh an chláán agus bíonn sé chodeas an chláán go léir eáil an seo ar deanta. Our continued use of the Irish language is also really important with the emergence or the arrival of the European Capital of Culture 2020, which is on its way. The Multóirí were struck again by the very high standards, and it just seems that the Caighdeán is getting níos airde year on year. But what stood out for most of them was the reassurance that Irish has a future in this Ireland's bilingual city.
The language was really central to who we are and our identity. The feedback we've got is really a sense, I suppose, of dóchas, of creidimh, agus muinin, agus an deis. And really, I suppose what we're saying is that really we have an opportunity now as we shape the country coming out of the difficult years we've been in to focus on our culture as a central driver of the well-being of the country.
Is léir ó méid atá ráite agus le feicáil an seo nocht bhfuil na Gradam ina dlúchuid agus mar úlais rítáhaach. Don cháil atá Gaillimhe mar chathair dá cheangach na hÉireann agus mar príomhchathair chultúir na Eorpa fiche. Chur 8 cholacht dé agus teach ar an Gradam an Bhliain agus is cúis misneach égur chur ceire cheann dé acu seo is teach don céadúir. Threibh forteach sa Gradam seo tá tuiscin soléir a léirú agah ar an luach a churann sibh ar cheann na hacmhaí nádúra is fearr atá agan ar deanga dúchas féin.
Cosimiid leis an chéad categóir, mean díal, in the retail category, Oidhreachta a Ggóa FM. Eyre list atá, Onad na Faiche Móire Eyre Square Centre, Mary's Fish Gaillimhe, Sweeney Oil, agus Thomas Woodbury's. Is iad na butchery ná, the category winners are Onad na Faiche Móire Eyre Square Centre. Welcome to Roinn by category a dó. Tarasarot agus fáilteachas, the tourism and hospitality category, Oidhreachta ag fáilte Ireland. So Eyre list atá Clayton Hotel Galway agus the Connacht Hotel. Agus is iad na butchery ná, the Connacht Hotel.
It's a huge privilege for us to win this category here at the Connacht Hotel. Irish plays such an important role to everything that we do. And we feel it's a huge part of our culture and our experience that it's so important for us to keep it going and to communicate as much as we can through Irish.
We really want to integrate it as part of our brand. You know, we just feel it makes the Irish guests feel more comfortable when they see the use of Irish language around the hotel, and it's also nice for international guests to be able to see the Irish language being used in everyday practice like we do in the Connacht Hotel.
And this time to bug a raggy category 3, services, Oidhreachta ag Snap Galway. Eyre list atá Cross Street Dental agus Lorug Media. Is iad na butchery ná, and the category winners are Lorug Media.
Beat an áide chumir golóir over seaas rutse agus rinneon edan ar fad caiisiún agus anna snefig golóir. Bhí muid ar stáitin sin agus bhí sé álan ag seáil tá Gradam haon go hálan deara ag páirc Róine agus tásúlan an bhuaighe a chuneáil mar chuid go gnó be sé anna gúnaí agus tugann sé seo muín agus misneachta.
Tá déis ag bog a rá go dtí categór a cethair, cólachtaí eile, Oidhreachta ag acadam na hallscoileachta Gaeilge, Allscoil na hÉireann Gaillimhe, agus ar an leorlist atá, Kerry Building Contractors, Michael Putchin, Póra Shed, shiopalanna í Ceann, agus is iad na bútearí ná, Kerry Building Contractors.
It's very weird to walk with the Gradam, someone's on road, it's an over to shaft on sort of. So yes, we all and then the conversation made with Nella basically walk with on Gradam móra going to
It's only at the beginning of the process for us because it's, you know, having come this far, we're hoping now that we can incorporate a few new ideas for hopefully next year and for the future.
Carloch out of the Gaeilge made reference earlier to Bronnadh special for the Multary. Agus tá sé seo Oidhreachta ag Judy Green pottery. Agus chain Bronnadh special for the Multary Bhuaigh. The award goes to Mary's Fish Gaillimhe.
Well, tá muid antásta Eyre Square Centre, Mary's Faiche Móire tá nearla Gradam Sheosaimh Uí Ógartaigh. Gus tasúling chéad eile, gus céim is Iarthar agus Gradam smú Roinn Ealaíon Uí Ógartaigh. So súlainn mé mu seo chéad eile le Roinn.
In na hananta sin, thucraí na Multarí splóireacht allscoile a Bronnadh ar Gnóthaí atá déanamh iarracht fi le chun úsáid agus labhairt na Gaeilge ábhairt agus a Roinn Ealaíon ina Gnóthaí agus i measc na Foirne. Agus tá an splóireacht seo á Bronnadh ar the Porter Shed.
Easier for our members. We have 25 member companies here at the moment and 75 members in total working here on a full-time basis.
Inis tá muid tagtha chug bhuaigh na hÉireann.
Agus a bútear an Gradam Sheosaimh Uí Ógartaigh ná ionad na Faiche Móire, Eyre Square Centre.
We're absolutely delighted to be the overall winners this year. It's extremely important for the Eyre Square Shopping Centre. This award is only the start for us. We're now going to make sure that all of our tenants incorporate the Irish language into each unit within the centre.
It's been really interesting watching it over the past year, the development of the new entrants and the integration of Irish with the shops that have come in. Also, the amount of work that has gone into the past year has been tremendous. Like everything now is basically once you're Irish and English, and it's very good to see.